Let's go for an adventure ride on this mini steam train. Engine ignition, check. The stock of coal, check. It's time to properly grease each and every part of this train for a hassle-free experience. Everyone on the board? And here it is, going on its next adventure. Crossing a lustrous green flower nursery, our journey is going beautifully well. Green fields on the other side make this journey more mesmerizing. The tiny train puffs out a cloud of white steam. Time to refill some coal. The scent of coal smoke fills the air. The rhythmic chugging of the engine creates a soothing melody. Would you like to travel on this train?